Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be discussing how to censor text on Discord. So to do this process, first thing is of course just simply open up the Discord application into your computer. Now, once you are on the Discord application, guys, you can just simply go ahead and go to one of your channels or messages or direct message. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And now from here, to censor a text, there are only two ways to do this. So you can just simply add some vertical lines. It will be two lines at first. And after that, just simply go ahead and provide your text over here. And now, in order for you to save the changes, you have to add an additional of two lines in order for you to proceed with this process. And as you can see, it is now looking different. And when I send this message, as you can see, the message will now be hidden. If people want to censor it out, we could just simply click on it to have the text revealed. So pretty much this is the way. And another option that you could try is providing a slash and go for the spoiler. And from here, as you can see, we have the command provided by the Discord, and it is built in, and it is just the same process. You just simply provide your text over here, enter, and the text will be censored. And if they want to reveal the censorship, just simply click on it to reveal it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.